Hello.
Welcome back to another video. It's a new year. Happy New Year. I'm hoping 2020 is going to be a wonderful year for all of us. Thank you so much for joining me again watching this video. I appreciate you taking your time, taking your hard-earned data to watch my videos. Thank you so much. So today I'm doing a mini vlog. We decided to come with he decided that we should start the year with something different because we're not people who go out a lot, especially me. So he was like, new year, new us.
Yes.
So we are trying something new, and we are, what's the name of the place?
Kenneth Stainbank.
Yeah.
Stainbank Bank.
Kenneth Stainbank Nature Reserve.
Yes.
So we are here to do a hike, and are we having a picnic?
Well, due to the fiscus and the budget
Financial
constraints,
fiscus. Okay, so we just
can
gonna
negotiate on it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Thank you, babe. So we're just gonna take a shortanyana hike, and we're gonna take you guys along with us.
And baby, you've got something. For
Yeah.
those who are staying in Durban, this is a really cool place, and it's like 10 kilometers, if not 15. So it's actually a good place just
From
to
where?
come
10 to 15 kilometers
from Durban CBD.
From Durban CBD.
Because
Okay.
we actually live like 5 minutes away from here, and we never knew of this place. So just come here.
And it's really beautiful.
Let me
We're
relax.
gonna show you guys the scenery. It's really beautiful. Nature, like, it's green. So enjoy,
Let's go.
guys.
Shoneko. And the long walk to heaven begins.
Okay, guys, we've just made our first sighting. Babe, what is that? Is that like this? Is it a springbok or what is it? It's so tiny. I don't want to come closer because they'll be scared and run away. What is that? What is it? So guys, we have been walking for how long, babe? Maybe like
5 kilometers.
Yeah, like 5 kilometers. And I think in terms of animal visibility, there isn't much or many animals to see, but the scenery, the freshness of nature, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's different, but it is kind of scary. I wouldn't do this if I was by myself. So I'm glad he's here with me. But it's really beautiful. It's beautiful. If you can come check it out, please do, because it's nice.
5 more kilometers to go.
Yep. Guys, we have walked for about 12 kilometers and it got to a point where I couldn't take it anymore. Babe wanted to continue and I was like, I'm done for the day. I am so unfit, it's not even funny. So when you're walking around, these are the animals you can see, but we didn't get to see all of them. We saw the impala, the red duiker, we saw the monkeys. We didn't see any snakes, thank God, because that was not gonna end well for me. And then I think we did see some bats, but we couldn't get close enough to see which ones they were. So there is a lot of animals that you can sight while you're walking. I think the thing is because there's a green, red and a blue trail, so you have to walk through all of them, but it's too big, it's a lot. So we only did the red and the green, and in the middle of the red I was like, I can't take it anymore, so we had to turn back. So anyway, guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end this short vlog of ours. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you are a nature junkie, a nature freak, please do come here and just see. Okay, what is that?
Monkeys on the plane. Okay, there's no plane.
So just come through. I think it's very nice, but you need to be fit and be prepared because it's a long walk and it's very tiring and you will sweat. So wear your sunscreen, guys, please. It's important, especially when you're doing such outdoor things. It's important. Wear your sunscreen. Anyway, thank you for being here. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.